Okay, well it's not quite finished, but here is my Jawa in a box. As you can see, and here it's doing some Jawa sounds, completely self-contained in a box. I can select between playing the random sort of sound files, and that will just cycle through a long sound play, or if I wish to specifically do an utini, flick that over there, push the button. I can now do as many of those as I like. It's got a volume control on the side. I need to cut some holes out to let the sound out a bit, and again if I switch back to position 2, I'm back to normal Jawa chat, which will go on for about 10 minutes or so on its own. There's a couple of 3.7 volt cells and they're going through a voltage regulator, and then it's just into an ordinary into a little soundboard, which has got a micro SD card slot, so I can actually change that over to Tuscan sound effects if I wish, quite simply. You get an idea now of how much louder it is with the lid off. Anyway, thanks for watching.